Good morning, Aya. How are you?
I'm fine.
Great. Good morning, Lana. How are you?
Good.
Thank you. Hi, Ram. Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Great. Yusuf, how are you? Muhammad, how are you, Muhammad?
Good.
Fuad, Ahmed, how are you? My voice is clear, right? Okay, thank you.
Yeah. No.
Thank you. Omar, how are you? Thank you.
I'm good. Teacher, which page?
We won't take a new lesson today, just a review, and I will talk to you about the exam tomorrow. Hi, Malak. How are you?
Hi.
Great.
The
Khaled and Aus, how are you?
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Aus.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Today we're gonna take a revision.
Yes, we are taking a review and we are talking about the exam. Okay?
Kind of quiet. Tomorrow we have a math test.
Yes, we are talking about that now. Hello, everyone. Please mute yourself. And if you have a question, just raise up your hand and I will see it. At first, your test tomorrow will be online. Okay, I will send you a link. you click on this link and you start the exam. After this class, I will send you an experimental one. يعني أنا راح أبعث لكم امتحان تجريبي، مش امتحان يعني هو لينك في سؤال واحد ما عليه علامات ولا عليه شيء، بس لحتى تعرفوا كيف بكره راح تدخلوا على الامتحان. اوكي؟ بتدخل على الامتحان، بتطلع لك شاشه بتكتب فيها اسمك، بعدين بتضغط ابدا الامتحان. الامتحان راح يكون مالتيبل تشويس في الدروس اللي اعطيتكم اياها، تمام؟ طيب هذا هيك على الامتحان. الامتحان من 21 ما راح يكون من 20، لا من 20 سوري، الامتحان من 20 يعني عندك انت 20 علامه، تمام؟ راح ابدا الان هيك اعطيكم شوي ريفيجن على الامتحان وكيف ممكن يجي. يس ارام.
Ustad, how many questions at the test?
I think it's 16. I think 16 or 17.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, Khaled.
Teacher, how many pages?
It's online. There's no pages. Just 17 questions, multiple choice. يعني ما دايرة.
أستاذ يعني بصفحة واحدة؟
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
كيف؟
بكرة راح تشوف الامتحان.
أوكي.
Any question before I start the review? Okay. We are starting the review now. The list of the lessons that I sent to you, that your exam will be on it. Yes, Ahmed? Where's Ahmed? Yes, Ahmed? Ahmed, yes, do you want to say something? Okay. The first lesson is numbers through 1 million. So the first lesson is numbers through 1 million. Yes.
I will tomorrow the test.
What?
tomorrow يا أستاذ بكرة بس صفحة واحدة ولا صفحتين؟
بكره امتحان اونلاين على موقع، انت بتدخل على الموقع في 17 سؤال بتحلهم بس وخلص. اوكي؟ اصل كمان شوي انا راح ابعث لكم لينك لحتى تشوفوا كيف شكل الموقع. يس يوسف.
How many page?
You will see tomorrow.
How many?
There's no pages. Yusuf. There's no pages. It's online exam. 17 questions. Okay, multiple choice. All of them multiple choice. Yes, Alice. Yes, Sally. Yes, Sally.
Teacher, which page?
We won't take a
Which
new lesson
page?
today. I'm just taking a review. I will tell you which page. Yes, Yusuf. Yes, Yusuf.
17 questions only.
Yes, 17 questions, yes. Okay, now, let's start. The first question will be at the exam on page 7. On page 7, the first questions. It's about what? Write each number in expanded form. Write each number in expanded form. Okay, so how do we do that? We say to write a number in expanded form, I will start digit by digit. Now this 7, it's 7,000, okay? So I will write what I read. So 7,000, so 7,000. Then I put a plus. What I have next is 600. So I will write 600 plus 20, this is 20, plus 2. So that's the expanded form of the 7,622. Another example, I want to write this number in the expanded form. So at first, let's read it. So I have 294,160. So I will write what I read. So at first we have what? 2,000. So here's 2,000. 200,000, sorry. 200,000 plus 90,000. So 90,000. This is 90,000. Plus 4,000. So 4,000. Plus 100. So this is 100. Plus 60. So this is 60. So I'm just writing what I'm reading. I'm just writing what I'm reading with both each time a plus. Do you understand that? It's the expanded form. We take it many times, right? So this is the first question you will see in exam. Write the number in the expanded form. Yes, يا خالد.
أستاذ
Yes.
عندي تعيد وما فهمت لأني.
Okay. Khaled, what are we doing here? I want to write, let's take another number. Let's take this one. Let's take this one. I want to write this number in the expanded form. So what you're going to do is writing what you're reading. So if I told you to read this 4, you will tell me this 4 is what? Is 40,000, right? Because when I read this, 43,702. So 43,402. So when I read this 4, it's what? It's 40,000. So I will write it 40,000. It's 40,000. Okay. Then next, I put plus. I will move to the next digit, which is here, this one. Now this, read this for me. You read it what? 3,000. So this is a 3,000. So I will write just 3,000. So that's 3,000. Then put plus. Now we are on 7. I want to write the 7. Read this 7 for me. It's what? It's 700. So I will write 700. Then plus. We have 0 tenths, so I will not put anything here. And 2, this is 2. So this is the expanded form of this number. Did you understand now, Khaled? Yes.
Yeah, but teacher, why you didn't put the 0?
You can put it and you cannot. It's okay. Both cases, it's okay. Okay?
Okay.
Any question for the expanded form? That's the expanded form. Yeah. Omar, do you have a question?
Teacher, how are we gonna write this if the test is online?
No, you don't write. You don't write. You will see that as a multiple choice and you just choose the correct one. Okay? Okay. So that's the expanded form. So from the first lesson, you will see just write the numbers in the expanded form. So just from the first lesson, you will just see write numbers in the expanded form. So are we done with the lesson 1? Now we are going to lesson 2, place value relationship. I didn't put any questions for this lesson, okay? This lesson, I didn't put any question from it, okay? So I moved to the lesson 3, which is compare a whole numbers. Compare a whole numbers. So now I will go and for this lesson and give you an example how we do that. So this is compare whole numbers. Now open your books, page 15. So we are now on page 15. Let's take example on how we do compare. Let's see this one, for example. I want to compare between these two numbers. So the question will be complete by writing greater than or equal or less than. In an example, you will see multiple choice. You will select the correct one from them. Now, I want to compare between these two numbers. At first, I will start by comparing one digit by one digit. So here's 9, here is 9, they are equal. So I will move to the next digit. 1, 1, they are equal. I will move to the next digit. 2, 2, still equal. 7, 7, they are still equal. 0, 0, they are still equal. And 6, 6, and they are still equal. So each digits are equal here. So the sign here will be what? Equal. This one is equal to this one. Okay? You write this in your book. You don't have to write this again. So just let's move to another one and take another example. For example, let's take this one. So what we are going to do, I will compare between these two numbers. How to do that? I will start digit by digit. Now, here is 2, 2 equal, so I will move to the next one. 2, 2, they are still equal, so I will move to the next one. 8, 7. Okay, so we have different here. Here we have 8 and here we have 7. Now, 8 is greater than 7. So this number is greater than this number. So I will write this sign. Why? Because 8 is greater than 7. So this number is greater than this number. So let's take another one. Let's see another one. So suppose that I want to compare between, let's see, this one. Let's see this one. Now look here. 6, 6, they are equal. 7, 7, they are equal. 1, 1, they are equal. But here we have 6 and here we have 4. So this one is greater than this one. So you can write this like this. And here I will put this number 6,714. Now, do the comparison as we did. You will see that this 6 is greater than this 4. So we are writing this sign. Wait, I will see your questions. Who have a question? Wait, ya Khalid, wait, ya Ahmed, let me see you one by one. Yes, Yusuf? Yes, Yusuf?
Nothing.
Okay. Yes, Aram?
Can you make now a question for us and we solve it by alone?
Yes, okay, I will do that. Thank you, I will do that. Let me see. Khalid, yes, Khalid?
أستاذ راح تجيب لنا زي هيك بالثاوزات.
Yeah, yeah, but you
يعني أستاذ زي اللي فوق في 3 مليون فوق. ارفع هسه
there's no, I will not bring anything in millions, just in thousands. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Jawad, do you have a question? Yes?
Which page?
This is page 15. We are talking about the exam, Jawad, okay? We are talking about the exam tomorrow and what we could bring in the exam, what question you could see. So the first question is about the expanded form. Yes, yeah, Ahmed. The second question will be about the comparing between numbers. Yes, Ahmed?
Teacher, wait.
What?
Wait.
What?
Teacher, wait.
Wait for what?
تيتشر هذا السؤال بدك تجيبه على الامتحان؟
أي سؤال؟
هذا
مش شايف، أنت عندك الكاميرا مسكرة.
هذا السؤال.
أي سؤال يا أحمد؟ مش فاهم عليك.
that nothing.
Tell me, which question?
This is a question.
Yeah, مش شايف منك شيء أنا.
13 to 17.
What؟ يعني بنفس الصفحة قصدك؟ من 13 ل 17 الأسئلة هاي؟ راح يكون السؤال زي هيك، راح يكون السؤال زي هيك. Like 9, like 10, okay? Something like this, okay? Okay. Okay. Now I will give you example and you try to do it now, okay? So compare between these two numbers. Now, if you do it, just raise up your hand and I will see you. Yes, Jawad?
Wait a minute. 1 1, the same. 1 1 again, the same. 2 2, same. 3 3, same. 5 5, 5 6. 100, 1000, 1000, and that have the 6.
Yeah, this one is greater. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, yeah, Khaled.
أستاذ راح تجيب من كل الصفحات اللي أخذناهم أسئلة.
You will see that now. I'm taking review. Yes, Ram?
I done.
Thank you.
This
Which
one.
one?
Here it is.
Which
Wait.
the one who had the 6, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Aus?
I'll do it, sister.
What's the answer? What?
The number. I do it.
The number which have the 6?
Yeah.
Excellent, thank you. So that's it. That's what about the comparing. Wait, Jawad, wait. That's what about the comparing. So we are moving now. This is the comparing. How I will bring the questions. Compare between two numbers. So the third lesson is done. Now let's move to round whole numbers. To round whole numbers. Okay. For that lesson, rounding whole numbers. Okay, in exam you will find something like this, okay? In exam you will find something like this, a number, and I want you to round the one which is have a line under it, like this one, okay, like this one. Now, suppose that I want now to round this number. So where should I be looking? I will be looking here, to the 9, right? Now, if that was 5 or more than 5, I will add here a 1, and that will be 0. So that will be what? 1, 2, this 8 will be 9. Then the other thing will be zeros. So 0, 0, 0. So that's the rounding. Now let's take another example. Now I want to round this 9, okay? Now where should you be looking? You will look here to the 4. Now the 4 is less than 5, so I will not add anything here. It will stay as it is. And the other thing after it will be what? 0. So it will be 1, 9, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, another example. Now I want to round this one. Now where should I be looking? I will look here to the 6. 6 is more than 5, so I will add 1 to here. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. And the other thing after it will be what? 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. For this one, I will round what? The 1. So I will look here to the 4 also. So we have what? 4 less than 5. So I will not add anything here. It will stay as it is. And the other thing after it will be what? Zeros. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And that's it. Okay? Do you have a problem with rounding? So in exam, you will see a question about rounding. Okay? Do you have a question? Do you have any question? Omar, you have a question? What, Omar?
So, teacher, so the one with it's more or less, if it's more or than 5, we give it to the number next to it, and that it this one becomes 100, and then so
I can't understand you, Omar. I can't understand you.
I don't. Teacher, this one. The number 3 is number 8. So we give that to the 2, and it becomes 130,000. And the one in number 4 it's not 5 or more than 5. So it just becomes the 85,600.
If the number after the number, if the digit after the number I want to round was 5 or more than 5, I will add a 1. If it was less than 5, I will not add anything. That's it. Okay? Okay. Yep. That's what I will bring to you in exam. I will give you a number, and there is a bar, there's a line under the number, and I will ask you to round this number. You will look to the number, this number, you will see this one. If this one was more than 5 or equal 5, you will add 1 to here. And if it was less than 5, you will not add anything. So that will be 8, 5, 6. I will add here 1, so this will be 4. And anything after it will be 0. Yes, yeah, Khalid. Wait, Khalid, let me see. Yes, Khalid?
Teacher,
Yes.
number 8, I don't understand it.
Number 8. Yeah. Now I want to round this one, Khalid. I want to round this one. You see that? Because I put a line after it. So just look here. What we have, 4. Now 4 is less than 5. So I will not add anything here. So this will just stay as 1. Now anything after it will be what? 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's it.
Okay, teacher, why you put all of it 0, 0, 0, 0?
Because this is the rule. When you round, anything after the number you want to round will be 0.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the rounding. We are done now with chapter. This is about topic 1. So write the expanded form, compare between numbers, and rounding. So write the expanded form, compare between numbers, and rounding. So now I'm going to lesson the topic 2, which is estimate sums and differences. So estimates, sum, and differences. So let's see that. Let's see that. So the first lesson, I will not bring anything in the exam for it. So just move to the lesson 2, which is estimate sums and differences. Okay. In exam, when I tell you estimate between, like I want you to estimate between these numbers, you will see something in exam like this one. Okay. You will see something in exam like this one, okay? So I'm asking you to estimate, and I will put to you a line after this digit, okay, like this, okay? Now, what you're going to do to estimate, when we say estimate, at first, you will, this is page 43, okay? This is page 43. Who have a question? Aram, you have a question? Okay, يا خالد.
أستاذ هاي ما أخذناها.
No, we take it. We take the
أي
estimation.
صفحة طيب؟
43. Okay. When I want to estimate, you will see something on exam like this, okay? I put a little line down with the 5, and I put a line down with the 2. So at first, you will round these two numbers. The first step is you will round these two numbers. So when I want to round the 5, I will look here, I will find it's 4, okay? So you will have what, 3, 6, 8, and now because this is 4, I will not add anything here. So this will just stay just 5. And anything after it will be what? 0. So 0, 0. So I rounded the first one here. Then I will round the second one. So this is 1, 1, 4. Now I want to round the 2. So I'm looking here. We have 5. We said if we have 5 or more than 5, I will add a 1 here. I will add a 1 here. So that will be what? 3. So this is a 3. And anything after it will be 0. Okay, now after we rounded, so what we will do, we will add these two numbers. After we rounded, we will add these two numbers. So you will add, let me do it here. I will do it here, okay? I will do it here because we don't have enough space. So I will add 3, 6, 8, 5, 0, 0, plus 1, 1, 4, 3, 0, 0. So let's add them. So 0 plus 0 is just 0. 0 plus 0 is also 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. This is my comma. 8 plus 4 is 12. So this is 2 and here 1. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. And 3 plus 1, 4. Okay? Okay, do you have a problem with that? So when I tell you estimate, the first thing you will do is rounding. Okay, which digit I will round, you will see that in exam. Okay, let's see, I'll give you another example. In exam, you will see something like that. In exam, you will see something like that. So I want you to estimate 4,532 plus 3,670. Okay. Now I want to estimate this. Okay, and I will put you something like this. I will put to you something like this. Who have a question? Yes, Khalid?
No, I didn't have a question.
Okay. So, in exam, you will see, yes, House?
You just solve it?
I will solve it, just stay with me. Now, in exam, you will see something like this. Estimate this plus this. Now, at first, you will see that we put a line after down the 5 and down the 6. So, that means what? I will round these two numbers, okay? So I want to round the 5, so I will look here, I found what? 3. So I will not add anything here, and anything after it will be what? 0. So this is 4, the 5 will stay as it is, and 0, 0. So we rounded this one. Now plus. Now I want to round this. I will look here, I see 7. Because it's more than 5, that means I will add here a 1. So that will be 7, and anything after it will be 0. So 3,700. Now just add them. Now just add them. So I will add 4,500 plus 3,700. Just add them. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is also 0. 5 plus 7 is 12. Now 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8. And so that's the answer of the estimation. So if you see estimation, the first thing you will do what? You will round. The second thing you will add. And the same thing with subtraction. When I tell you estimate the difference, estimate this is subtraction. The first thing you will do, you will round. The second step, you will subtract. Okay? Do you have a problem with that? Okay. Now, let's move on. Yes, Khalid?
أستاذ
Yes?
ما فهمتها.
Okay. I will tell you estimate, okay? I will tell you how to estimate. Let's take example. I will tell you estimate 5,432 plus 6,281. And I will put you a line like this, down of the 4 and down of the 2. When I tell you estimate, the first thing you will do, you will round these 2 digits. As we take now, round this, so I'm looking here, you will find this is a 3, more less than 5. So I will not add anything here, so it's still 4, and anything after it will be 0, plus. Now this 6, I will round here, this 1, this 2, so I'm looking here, what we have 8. 8 is more than 5, so I will add here a 1, anything after it will be 0, so 6,300. Then you just add these 2 numbers, just add it, okay? So 5,400 plus 6,300. Just add them. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, also 0, 4 plus 3, 7, then 6 plus 5 is 11. So that's it. At the first thing you will round, the second thing you will add. Okay? Okay, Khalid? Okay? Okay. Okay. Now this is about estimating. Then we talked about you will see something. We don't have enough time. Unfortunately, the class will end now. After that, you will see something about what? About adding numbers, okay? And we know how to add, it's so easy. You will see something on exam like this. Add 342,132 plus 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, like something like that. Okay, so we want to add these 2 numbers. So just write them down of each other like this. So 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Now just add. Now 3 plus 8, like it's 11. So here's 1, and here's the other one. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 7 is 10. So here is the 0, and here is the 1. Now 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 6 is also 10. So this is 0, and here is 1. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. So here's the 6. Now 4 plus 2 is also 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. And that's it, okay? When add, just add the numbers. That's it. We just add the numbers. And the same thing with subtraction. Yes, Khalid?
Teacher,
Yes?
I don't understand.
Which
This
one?
Why you put this question?
What you didn't understand why I put the 1 above the numbers?
No, I don't understand it all.
Okay. Let's do it again. Now, what I want to add these 2 numbers. Just add them digit by digit, okay? Just add them digit by digit. Now, 3 plus 8 is 11, but I can't put here the 2 digits. So I will put the first digit, which is 1, and I will put here the second digit, which is also 1. So this is the 11. Now here, just add these 3 numbers. Now, 1 plus 2 is a 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. The same thing, I can't put the 2 digits, so I will just put the 0, the first digit to the right, and the second digit, I will put it here, okay? Now, the same thing you will do here. Now, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is also 10. So I will put we have 10, right? This is 10. So you put the zero here and the 1 to the next digit. Now just add. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. Now here, 4 plus 2 is also 6, and 3 plus 1 is 4. That's it. You understand, Khalid? Our meeting is almost finished now, okay? Now, if you have any question about that, I will see you, just contact with me, okay? And I will see you tomorrow, inshallah, on the exam. Bye. Bye, everyone. Thank you.